Hi everyone, Jack from 英作文会話 community here again. And today I have another 英会話 quiz for you. 今日のビデオはスラングが多いので少し難しいかもしれませんが、皆さん頑張ってください。Let's get into it. Dude, your bike is sick. Dude, your bike is sick. Thanks, I got it last week. Thanks, I got it last week. Oh, the trains were packed today. Oh, the trains were packed today. I guess a lot of people were traveling today. I guess a lot of people were traveling today. I am pumped for the party tonight, bro. I am pumped for the party tonight, bro. Yeah, man, I'm excited too. Yeah, man, I'm excited too. Hey, you down for some tennis later? Hey, you down for some tennis later? Sure, what time do you have in mind? Sure, what time do you have in mind? I am not seeing eye to eye with Mom right now. I am not seeing eye to eye with Mom right now. What are you arguing about? What are you arguing about? And that's the video! 皆さんどうでしたか？もし質問があればぜひコメント残してください。そしてもっと英語を勉強したいと思っている方はぜひ下の説明文にある英作文会話コミュニティのリンクから私のレッスンを予約してください。入会金不要で最初のレッスンは半額ですのでぜひ一度レッスン受けてみてくださいね。But that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!